How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And in this episode I'm not gonna do an installation. I make this episode just to show you what it takes to make a big brake kit. So in this one, just in case that you wanna do a conversion on the 6th generation Accords, this is what it takes to do a big brake kit. There is some stuff that is not here yet, so that's why you're not gonna see in the video, but I have a couple more stuff that they're coming. And in order for you to make a big brake kit, you're gonna need the next components, which is gonna be the larger rotors, as you can see right here. And this is for my car. And one of the coolest thing about this is that I get in contact with FastBrakes, and they provide this kit for me. And the kit includes the rotors, bolts, some other bolts, those little rings that they're gonna go inside the hub. So these big rotors, they're gonna fit into your hubs, and the brackets. So really cool thing about FastBrakes, that I contact them on December, and I think it was the 26th when I contact them. And then guy named Brian, he was really helpful. Even though they were on vacation, he told me that he was gonna help me when they go back to the office. And that was the January 9th. So when January came, he told me he was gonna help me out and get everything ready for me. So he provided me with all this. But obviously this video is not a sponsor. Everything that you see here, I pay for it with my own money. So this is what it takes to build a big brake kit for your car. Like I said before, rotors, brackets, and all this is included. If you contact FastBrakes, they're gonna bring you everything in one box. In this box, they brought everything is 2 rotors, and the brackets, all the hardware, and those rings, everything is included, and it comes with the price. Price was $448 with shipping, and then that's what I pay for it. If you wanna do something like straight from a company, you're gonna pay like 1,000 to 1,500 bucks at least. Obviously there is more components, and I'm gonna go to that in a minute. And also for the brake pads, those are ceramic. I paid $27.78. For the hardware kit, which is that one right there, and that's the hardware for the calipers, I pay for those 15 bucks. And in here I only have right now one of the calipers. This is the Acura RL Calipers. I believe that one is for 2004 to 2008. I'm not sure, but I get one for 2005 Acura RL, and that's the passenger side. The other one is coming because I didn't find anything at the junkyard. I had to order them. So one is already here. The other one is coming. Another thing that you're gonna need, obviously I'm gonna paint them. I'm gonna make another video on how to paint calipers properly. So another thing that you're gonna need is gonna be the primer, the paint, and the sealant. That's gonna be, I'm gonna show you in another video when I get ready to paint them what I'm gonna use. In this case, you're gonna spend around 35 to 40 bucks on the paint. For the calipers, you're gonna pay around $250. So anyways, on the description of this video I'm gonna put everything that I spend, how much I spend, and how much it will take you to make a big brake kit. Also, another thing that you're gonna need if you wanna make this to work on your vehicle, you're gonna need 17-inch rims or larger. If you have the 15-inch rims from this 6th generation Accord, those they're not gonna work because the caliper is really big. And if your wheel is not deep enough in here, probably you're gonna need the spacers. So I've been doing this little by little. Finally I get all the parts for the big brake kit. I have a couple videos, one when I put my spacer. Check that one up. I'm gonna put the link on the description. When I install my brake lines, those are aftermarket brake lines, so I have another video for those. I'm gonna put it on the description. And those are the other components you're gonna need. This is not really expensive. I don't recommend you to use cheap ones, but like I said before, this is not a track car, so I don't plan to take it to the track. And plus those spacers, I will I will tell you that I will not recommend to use those, but obviously this is my daily. But it's up to you guys. I'm just showing you what I did to my vehicle. If you're planning to do this, do it with a very good quality part, because if you get into an accident or you're not sure what you're doing while you do this, I'm not responsible for it. Like I told you, I'm just showing you what I did, and whatever you do with your vehicle is your own responsibility. So those are the components, and all this obviously is very expensive for some people and not that expensive for others. But if you look at this, guys, the size of this caliper is just amazing. Okay, this is for an Acura RL 4 piston. My actual the caliper that the car has right now is only 1 piston. This one has 4 pistons. It's a lot better, a lot safer, but obviously it's something that a lot of people is not willing to spend on. I'm doing this not because the car needed it. I'm not doing it because I'm gonna take the car to the track. I'm just doing this because I like to do it. I wanna have something different on the brakes, and I wanna share that with you. Plus, if you can see the rotor, you barely see it, right? And it's a very big gap inside, and it's just I wanted to upgrade. That's what it takes to make a big brake kit. And the size of these rotors and the weight is unbelievable. They're really heavy, and I know that the car is gonna brake perfectly. Especially because a couple years ago I was driving in summertime, and my brakes failed like a couple times one day, and I was with my family in the car, and my brakes fade. Obviously they're gonna fade, very small, 1 piston, and I didn't have those brake lines. So with this new setup, with the steel braided brake lines, and with everything that I'm gonna do, car is gonna brake just amazing. I know that. I only have some of the parts here. With the paint, primer, sealer, the auto caliper, and everything else that I need for this installation, you're looking around $1,000 to do this, okay? Because you have to add the spacers. Probably your wheels are gonna need the spacers, probably done, but maybe it's something that you need to put too, the spacers and the brake lines. So if you have $1,000, you can do this, and it's way cheaper because some of the kits you paying, like I said, 1,500 for a big brake kit. In my experience, and this is my own experience, guys, this is not something that I Google, or there is something that I just find out. In my experience, that's what I spend right now, is around $1,000 for everything, including the spacers, including the brake lines, everything for this installation. So guys, this is just a quick little video on how to make a big brake kit. So guys, uh, this is just to explain you what it takes to build a big brake kit for your car. I hope you like it, guys. I'm gonna keep making some more videos. I'm just waiting on parts right now, but I hope you like this video. That's what it takes to make a big brake kit, guys. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one, guys.